Oh, here we go again. Shook it. Me and the Home Depot. I even got my trusty water ladder out here. Look at it. It's so trusty. It's lightweight. You can pick it up any kind of way. Go on and look at this tree damage. You know we're gonna use one of them Echoes out here too. Now, one of the Home Depot, our favorite saw, Echo. Yeah, I'm telling you this something. Look at it right here. When it came down, it came down. Everything we get, we're gonna get from the Home Depot. But let me tell you, this thing got to be cut up. Get ready to go up on the roof. Look at it. Look at it right here. I tell you, things happen. When nature do what it do. I say it do what it do. Nature do what it do. We get ready to go up on the ladder right here, up on the roof, see what's going on up here. Probably some storm damage and stuff up here. Yeah, here I go. Just hold on now. Whoa! It is what it is. We up on the roof now. It's gonna be okay though. I'll let me see the damage. That's what we doing. Look at it. The tree right there. Serious. It is serious. Hold on.